isn't really a video, it's just a little glance around the greenhouse. The light was just so amazing out here this evening. I just had to get it on film. And oh gosh, I'd love to live somewhere where you could rely on really good light. There's something so amazing about it for showing things off. Fabulous pelargonium over here, looking great. And lots of pretty things down here on the staging. Oh, I have to show you that Pelargonium ardens down there, the big red one. Well, it's kind of going over now at this stage. See the glorious red flowers. Really, really amazing things. I had so many spikes, so many clusters of flowers this year. It was amazing. It's just a shame I didn't get around to making a video about it. And as you may know, the plant has very few leaves when it's in spike, so it looks very sad. That's a really deep, rich red with the black markings. Got to be everybody's favourite pelargonium. A little bit tricky to grow though. And over here we have some big plants in the corner. The tibucina you saw in the last video, still not in flower. And the papaya, which has had a potting on since the last video. Oh yeah, check out this Impatiens Sodani. Very, very pretty flowers. That's going to make a great display for me this year. And moving over here to the front of the greenhouse again, there's the cabbage tree down there. Also had a potting on since the last video. And here, my giant brugmansia. Oh, Trevisia. We could talk about a lot of other plants in a video, but we're just going to glance here at the moment. You can see some flowers in there. But check out this amazing begonia up here. It's an amazing cascade of flowers. And this I got in an ordinary garden centre. Woody's is the garden centre we have here in Ireland. And I went in there after lockdown. I just wanted to buy myself something. Had to buy myself something. And I was going to leave without getting anything because they've all very ordinary stuff in there when I spied this. And it's a glory, absolutely glory. Of course, the pot is disgusting. It doesn't go at all with the flowers, but I'll take that. I'll take that. And look at the leaves even. It has really beautiful dark leaves. I have no idea what begonia this is. It reminds me of when I had glowing embers, which had an orange flower a few years ago. And it was a very small one I had and failed to bring through the winter, but I hope I can bring this one through because I love it. I had flowers on my Albizia tree not very long ago, and of course they finished now. 2 flowers, first flowering, and they were quite puny, but they are amazing flowers. They look exactly, make it look exactly like the truffula tree from the Dr. Seuss story. And if you don't know that, look it up and you'll agree it's exactly the same. So the flowers have gone now at this stage, although I do see some more, some more buds coming there. Look at that. You know what that is? That's the flower from my Albizia tree. One of them. We all stumbled out here in the dark last night. I suddenly had an inkling that we should go out and check out this oxypetalum, Epiphyllum oxypetalum, and we weren't disappointed because there were 2 amazing, glorious flowers in the dark pumping out their heady scent, and I'll just show you a photograph of those here now. Okay, I guess that's it for a quick look at the greenhouse. We've kind of lost the best light now at this stage, but an impromptu visit. where I even took the camera off the tripod, which I seem to use all the time nowadays, but it just means there's so much more setting up of videos, and yeah. Vegetables doing really well down here. We've started eating the courgettes or zucchini, and tomatoes doing well in the central aisle. We have some yellow ones down there, look at that. And that's all really. Hey, Rhodoxis looking amazing, as gorgeous as ever. So glad I have those bulbs in my collection. And we're just going to finish up here on a shot of this wonderful pelargonium that my good friend Liga gave me recently for my birthday. Thank you so much, Liga. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.